Assalamualaikum students, how are you? It is your environmental studies lesson time. Here is your environmental studies book. Open your book with me. Page number 5. Here is page number 5. Icon, color, at work. आज हम क्या करेंगे? कलर एट वर्क, रंग भरेंगे और काम करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मी. टुडे डेट इज 3rd August 2021. This is your homework. Listen students, are you a boy or a girl? Girl. Okay, he is boy and she is girl. If you are boy, then color the boy picture, and you are girl, so color the girl picture. अगर आप प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आप लड़के हैं तो बॉय में कलर करोगे, अगर आप गर्ल हैं तो लड़की पे कलर करोगे. गुड. आई एम अ गर्ल. टेक अ कलर. This is yellow color. Color with me. Up and down. Up and down. There is black. Now take a black color and color the hair is black. And the shirt color is, if you like blue, and then do the blue color. This is blue. Color the blue in the shirt. Up and down, up and down. Now say with me. Up and down. And the skirt color is pink. Now take a pink color. Skirt is pink. I like pink color. Do you like it? Up and down, up and down. Black hair and the black shoe. Color this picture with the help of your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Students, now do we grow with age? हमें पता है कि हम एज वाइज बड़े होते हैं ना. सो हम पेस्ट करेंगे. जब हम 1 साल के थे तो 1 ईयर होल की पिक्चर यहाँ पेस्ट करेंगे, एंड देन 2 इयर्स के जब थे तो हम 2 इयर्स होल की पिक्चर यहाँ पे पेस्ट करेंगे, एंड देन वी हैव ग्रो द 3 इयर्स. सो फेस द पिक्चर 3 इयर्स ईयर नाउ. पेस्ट 1 ईयर होल पिक्चर, 2 ईयर होल पिक्चर, एंड 3 इयर्स होल पिक्चर. पेस्ट योर पिक्चर एंड शो मी. ओके, थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Assalamualaikum students, how are you? It is your English lesson time. Today I'll introduce big and small things. This is big circle. Do you know big circle? Big circle, big red circle. This one is small. Small circle. The color is circle red. Big, small. This object is small. This object is small. And this frame is big. Big, small. This is English book. Open your English book with me. We will pasting. Today we will be pasting big and small object. Book. Page number 18. Open your book with me. Page number 18. Today date is 3rd August 2021. This is your homework. This is fun time. Enjoy fun time. Stick the big and small dragons. Now we are stick it. Stick is there. Page number 159. Stick is here. Now we will take out these sticks. Take out big one stick and open your page number 18. Stick is here. This one is big dragons and the small dragons. We paste it big object and small object. Complete these pages with the help of your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? It is your English lesson time. Here is your English book. Open your English book with me. Today we will tracing horizontal line. Today we will tracing horizontal line. This is icon trace. Say with me, trace. Today date is 4th August 2021. Take a pencil, hold a pencil, now trace with me. Tracing. Horizontal line. This line is horizontal line. Very good. Horizontal line. Very good. Complete this tracing with the help of your parents. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? It is your storytelling time. This is your story book. Today we will enjoy a lot of all together. Let's start story Grandma and Me. Someone special at the door. This is door. Door के पीछे कौन है? Open the door. Now open with the door. It's Grandma. Who is she? She is Grandma. What's in your suitcase? This is suitcase. ये Grandma की suitcase है. इसमें क्या है? Open the suitcase with me. Open it. Surprise! It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. What is in the oven? This is kitchen and there it is oven. Now open with me. मेरे साथ open करके देखते हैं क्या है oven में. It's cookies, yummy cookies. Look what brought you from the garden. Garden से ग्रैंडमा क्या लेके आई है? हम देखें garden से क्या लेके आई है? Flowers. See how pretty flowers. And the last one. What did you hide under my pillow? ग्रैंडमा ने pillow के नीचे क्या छुपाया हुआ है? This is pillow. Under the pillow. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट. देखते हैं क्या है इसमें. वाओ, लुक रेड नाइट गन. दिस इज रेड इन कलर नाइट गन. एंड द लास्ट गिफ्ट ग्रैंडमा इज हियर. ग्रैंडमा हैज वन एज लास्ट गिफ्ट. ग्रैंडमा की लास्ट गिफ्ट क्या है? A big grandma kiss. A big grandma kiss. You will enjoy? Okay. Thank you.